Now here the question is, we are given a hyperbola which is xy equals 16 and it says a point P moves such that sum of the slopes of normal drawn from it to the hyperbola is equal to sum of ordinates of feet of normal. Then it says locus of P is a curve. First question is, we'll need to find equation of this curve. Now we know that for this hyperbola value of C is simply 4. We can write equation of normal as t cube x minus ty, and it is c t to the power 4 minus c. Now this normal will pass through this point P whose coordinate is suppose alpha comma beta. Now we can write this as a biquadratic equation in t. So this equation will be c t to the power 4 minus t cube alpha plus t beta minus c equals 0. Now this equation will have 4 real roots, say t1, t2, t3 and t4. Now it says sum of slopes of normal drawn from it. Now we know that slope of normal is t square. So we are given that t1 square plus t2 square plus t3 square plus t4 square is equal to sum of ordinates of foot of normal. Now ordinate is given by c upon t. So it simply means that this sum of slope is equal to c, which is 4, and then 1 upon t1 plus 1 upon t2 plus 1 upon t3 plus 1 upon t4. Now we can write this as summation t square minus 2 times summation t1 t2, and this is 4, and this is summation t1 t2 t3 upon t1 t2 t3 and t4. Now summation ti is s1, and s1 in this case is alpha upon c, so it will be alpha upon c square minus s2. Now there is no t square term, so s2 will be 0 minus 4. Now s3 is minus beta upon c upon s4, and s4 is simply minus 1. So this minus and minus will cancel. So we'll get this result as alpha square equals 4c beta. So this curve C, it is a parabola which is given by x square equals 4cy, and value of c in this case is 4. So this equation will be x square equals 16y, and that's your option B. Now the next question is, the tangent to the curve C, it cuts the coordinate axis at A and B, then locus of midpoint of AB is. Now this is parabola of the third form. So for parabola of the third form, we know that equation of tangent is given by y equals mx minus a m square, where m is the slope of tangent. Now we need to find point of intersection with coordinate axis. Now we'll put y as 0, we'll get x as am, and if we'll put x as 0, we'll get y as minus am square. Now we need to find locus of midpoint of a and b. So let this point be h comma k. So we can write h as am by 2 and k as minus a m square by 2. Now we need to eliminate the value of m. Now here the value of a is 4. So this h, it will be 2m, and value of k will be minus 2m square. Now we'll square it, we'll get h square equals 4 m square. And what's m square? M square is minus k by 2. So we'll get this equation as h square plus 2k equals 0, which is x square plus 2y equals 0, and that's your option C. And now question number 23 is, we need to find area of equilateral triangle inscribed in this curve having one vertex as vertex of curve C. So we have this curve which is x square equals 16y, and then we have this equilateral triangle which is inscribed in this parabola. Now this point is 0, 0. This angle, it is 30 degrees. and any point on this parabola, we can write in terms of parametric coordinates. So it will be 2at comma at square. So it will be 8t comma 4t square. Now we'll write 1030. Now 1030 will be this x coordinate, which is 8t, upon y coordinate, which is 4t square. So here t will cancel once and it will be 2. Now 1030 is 1 by root 3. So we'll get the value of t as 2 root 3. Now once we have t, we can find this point, and with it we can find length of side of this equilateral triangle. So length of this side, it will be under root of 8t whole square plus 4t square whole square. So we'll take 4t common, and then we'll get 4 plus t square. So it'll be 4, t is 2 root 3, and here it is 4 plus 12, which is 16. So it'll be, now this is 8. 8 into 4 is 32. So it'll be 32 root 3. Now once we have this L, we can write area of this equilateral triangle. So area of equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4 into L square. So it'll be root 3 by 4, and L square is 32 root 3 whole square, which is 768 root 3 square units, and that's your option D.